and welcome to the first episode of my baking show. It's in quotations because it's very premature. It's still fetus. Has a lot to grow and a lot to do, but this is it. It's my vegan baking show, and I'm really excited today because I'm gonna make a cake. It's a lemon cake, and lemons and limes are some of my favorite flavors, so that's really exciting. I have made this cake before and it was really successful, so I'm really excited to make it today. I'm making it for my mom, so soon I'm gonna put on a mask because of that thing that's going on inside of the world, so I just don't spread it if I have it to my mother because I don't want that. But I want her to have a vegan dessert because she's not vegan, and I want her to know that the stuff can taste good too. So let me show you what you need to do all the vegan baking lemon cake goods. I know, I'm eccentric. I'm excited right now, but hopefully I calm down just a little bit, just a smidge. Yeah, okay. So these are all the items you're gonna need. You're gonna need one zested lemon, and then a whole lemon, and then you're gonna need a whisk. This is the closest thing that I have to a whisk. A spoon, baking powder, vegetable oil, not olive oil, flour, sugar, powdered sugar for the icing on top, bowls, and a 1 pound tin. This is a tin that's actually 8 inches by 4 inches. Perfect. Those are the things you're gonna need. I'm gonna write them down, and when the ingredients come, I will tell you how much you need. So, okay, let's get started. So first thing we gotta do is we gotta preheat that oven to 400 degrees. Boom, it has begun. Alright, let's get into it. So for the dry goods, we're doing those first, and we have to use 1 1/3 cup of unbleached flour, or just flour, whatever flour you got around, whatever type of flour you like. You like that almond flour, get on into that. Now we're moving on to the baking powder, and we have to add quite a bit of it. We have to add about 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Sugar, baby, sugar. Now, how much sugar are we gonna add? What is this baking powder? 1 whole cup of sugar, which to me sounds like a whole heck of a lot of sugar. I'm like nervous, but I'm trying not to be. Just because I don't have this recipe memorized, so I have to keep looking down at this paper, and I'm like, this is taking too long. But it's better to take your time than to mess up and rush it. And now for the lemon zest, which is technically dry. We're just gonna take our little bit of lemon zest, dump that baby in. Now we're gonna whisk it with my potato masher. So mix all the dry goods together. It sucks right now because I really want to be baking. Like, I really want to get into baking and bake all these vegan goods for people. practice that, but there's nobody that I can give it to. So like, except my mom, and I guess a friend that trusts me or is willing to risk contamination. So, oh shoot, I'm not wearing my mask and I'm talking. Oh. Yeah, I'll let her know. I'll let her know about the potential risks. So this is all mixed up, all mixed up. Now we gotta add the wet stuff. The oil, the vegetable oil is half a cup. Half of a cup of, that's 2/3. Half of a cup of vegetable oil. Whoop, right in on there. So it's technically, it's 1 lemon juice. Because when I used half of a lemon, it just wasn't lemony enough, so I'm going to use half of a lemon. I'm going to use a whole lemon. Lost a seed in there. Oh no. Huh. Oh, is that it? Oh, I found it. Oh my god, I found it. Did I? No, I didn't. Shit, I lost a seed. I'm gonna have to mix it up in there and warn everybody that I lost a seed. Oh, I found it. Oh, I did. Oh, thank God. I found the little sucker. It's stuck in my head. I don't know what to do. This time I'm going to remove the seeds gently. There's one hiding. Cool. More lemon juice. So I don't have a 3/4 cup, but we have to add water. So I just Googled how much is 3/4, and it gave me 12 tablespoons. So I'm gonna put 12 tablespoons of water. But if you have 3/4 cups, that is how much it is. So I'm gonna do it the hard way. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11, 12. Now we gotta mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. That doesn't sound good, but here we go. It's a lot more wet of a mixture than I remember, but maybe I'll chill so. Oh yeah, it's way more wet than I remember it. Maybe 12 tablespoons was too much. Maybe I did something wrong. Just so much more wet than I remember. It was so different before. And it looks like there's so much more. I think it's because of the sugar. Last time, I forgot to add sugar. And so I had to like take it out of the oven real quick. Well, it only been like 2 minutes or something like that. Took it out of the oven real quick. put all that sugar in. So I bet it's because of the sugar. So yeah, I mean, we've mixed that together. It's pretty much looking pretty good. Hopefully I got all the pockets. So now you just gotta coat the tin a bit. That's kind of a lot, but oh well. Now that it is coated, let's put it in. This just seems like a lot for that, but maybe it's not. Look at it. Look at it. It's very jiggly. Ooh. Okay, so now it's supposed to bake for 30 minutes in a 400-degree oven. I hope it bakes quick the right way, because it didn't bake. Last time I had to turn it to like 475 and then just watch it, and then it turned out perfect, but we'll see. 400, we've made it. So let's open it. A little bit of that heat escape so it doesn't slap me in the face. Here's our baby going in. Ooh. Okay. Play. There we go. There it goes. We'll see her soon. Oh my gosh, wait. I'll see you soon. So real quick, I'm just going to show you how to make something super duper basic, which is the icing. Icing on the cake. All you're going to need is half a lemon. My last lemon. I guess I'll have to make the other one the other day. Okay, so half a lemon and powdered sugar. Yeah, it's really that easy. So let's put that in to make it happen. Then we're just gonna whisk it a little bit. I think it doesn't look like enough, but it probably is. I think last time I added just like a smidgen of water to water it down. So I'm just gonna add a 1/4 tablespoon because it just looks a little bit thicker than I want it to be, and a little bit of water goes a long way. Oh, that looks like so perfect. There you go. It's still pretty thick, but it is better, you know? Let's see how lemony it is. Real nice and lemony. Alright, 24 minutes from now, we will have a cake, and I'm really excited to show it to you in all its glory. So, see you in a second. It's rising, it's growing, it's alive, oh my gosh. Here we go. Okay, so I took this baby out just a few seconds ago. And honestly, it used to be like round on top, and now it's deflated, which is good because I'm going to flip it upside down, and this is going to be the bottom part. So here it is. It's got those crispy edges. Mmm. Yum. And then, you know, golden and beautiful deliciousness. It's gonna taste even better than it looks. Whoop. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. We're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna add the delicious icing that I made. So let's flip this baby. I'm kind of nervous. It's still a little bit hot. I'm gonna tap it with a wooden spoon. I think it came out. I think it worked. Oh no, it didn't. It's not out. I think I should cut around the edges. Shit. It moved. Okay, this time it's gonna happen. This time it's gonna work. This time it's gonna happen. Ba-da-da. It's not coming out. I'm scared. Is it too hot to come out or something like that? Maybe I need to hit it some more. Ooh, I'm denting the bottom. I hit it a lot. Oh, it plopped out, but it's broken. It was too hot. Man, I fucked up. Look at that. Look at that. Fuck. It's moist, it's nice. Maybe I can piece it together. It was just too hot. I was too excited. Oh shit. Taste test is accurate. Until then, I'm gonna put footage of the first time I made it because it was beautiful, so you can know what it's supposed to really look like. But now you also have the instructions. You know what? I'm just gonna put this part back on top and take it to my mom like this, so that she sees it and she's like, oh wow, it's so pretty, and I'm just like, ah. So this is gonna be a maneuver. Watch me maneuver. Oh. Dun, dun. Okay. Spoon. I need a spoon. Okay, now let's pour that on top. I'm not getting a good shot of it, but you know. Fudge. Okay, so it's not perfect looking, but you know, it's getting there. So, you know what the inside looks like. So I don't need to do no cross-sectioning. And that's basically it. Like, the icing makes it look cuter, makes it look like more of a glaze, you know. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching. I hope you get to make this type of cake at home. I hope you get to also bake whatever goodies you want to do with all the free time that we now have on our hands. Hope everyone's safe, and I hope everyone has a not boring day. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I'm probably gonna make brownies. We'll see. Actually, I'm making scones. I'm making vegan cheesy scones. So I'm really excited about it. It's gonna be the first time I make it. All right, see you then. Bye.